This is the Phantom, a retractable fountain pen from Endless. We've brought you multiple award-winning products like the Alchemy inks and companion pen pouches, selling in over 30 countries in the last 5 years. A couple of years ago, one of us asked, how can we make a fountain pen for the modern, fast-paced life? Has to be one-handed. It has to be quick to use, like a click pen. It has to look really cool and modern, you know? Wait, are we talking about a retractable fountain pen? Endless has always been about crafting products for creators, and so we began on an exploratory journey building the Phantom. Fountain pens are ornamental in a traditional sense, but we wanted it to fit the modern desk setup. Inspired by the streamlined elegance of aerospace and racing innovations, our design embodies speed, precision, and futuristic craftsmanship. The pen has been carefully thought out, prototyped extensively, and crafted with the best of user-centric design principles. Ink filling on your Phantom is quite straightforward and simple. Just unscrewing the click barrel will let you access the nib unit, and filling it is as simple as any conventional converter. A precision-designed rubber gasket ensures your nib doesn't dry out, even if it's stowed away for days. We have had the Phantom in development for almost 2 years, and it has been engineered with injection-molded acrylic resin and metal trims. The durability of the click mechanism of the pen has been extensively tested for over 100,000 clicks. We wanted the pen to be something you would love to show off, discuss, and share. We cut no corners in that. Well, but the pen has them though. The Phantom is available in multiple nib tip sizes like extra fine, fine, medium, and specialty tips like the Fude, blade, and stacked. Your Phantom is customizable, and for those of us who prefer a clipless version, the clip can be replaced with a precision-fit metal ring to ensure a seamless experience. Right into your next big idea without ever losing that luxury of putting a fountain pen to paper.